Hey guys, my name is Mario from Nissan of Visalia. Today I'm going to introduce you the 2019 Titan XD. I'm going to go ahead today cover the 4 cameras that we have in this truck. The technology is phenomenal, so I'm going to go ahead and point them out. The first camera we have is the front one right here. Under this mirrors, you can't really see it. The second one's right here. All the trucks actually have the backup camera, but this one has the 4 cameras. You can see the whole surrounding of the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and put the window down. There's my hand right there. As you back this truck up, it will alert you if you're getting close to vehicles. It's gonna actually beep as it gets closer. There you go, there's the beeping sound. Now let's say if you wanna put it on drive, you actually have a button here that says camera. And you can actually see the front of it as well. So now I can see the 4 cameras and I can see my lines. And you become a better parker. And there it is. When it's a big truck, they park in the side of the road. It actually gives you the close-up of how close you are to the curve. Once again, thank you. This was the package of the 4 cameras in the Titan XD diesel. If you have any questions, please come and see me. My name is Mario from Nissan of Visalia. See you here.